In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Customer reviews are one of the easiest ways to build trust and boost conversions. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to install and enable a popular reviews app called Judge.me on your Shopify store. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main admin dashboard. This is the page where you can see your orders, products, and sales overview. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Apps. This section is where you manage all the extra tools and integrations that extend your store's functionality. On the Apps page, look for an option that says All Recommended Apps and click on it. This takes you to a curated list of apps that Shopify suggests for different tasks. We're going to go a bit further, so next, find and click the button or link that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. This will open the full Shopify App Store, where you can search for specific apps. In the App Store, go to the search bar at the top and type in Judge.me Product Reviews App. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right app appears in the results. When you see Judge.me Product Reviews in the list, click on it to open the app's detail page. Here you can quickly scan the description, pricing, and reviews, just to double check it's what you want. Once you're ready, click on the Install button. Shopify may show you a permissions screen explaining what the app will be able to access in your store. Review these details and then click Install again to confirm. Shopify will now add the app to your store and redirect you into the Judge.me setup process. You'll see a short onboarding or setup flow with a few questions about your store and how you want reviews to work. Go through these questions, choose the options that fit your needs, and click Next each time until you're done. When the onboarding is finished, you'll be prompted to enable the app embed so the review widgets actually show up on your product pages. Click on Enable App Embed. This will usually open your theme editor with Judge.me already highlighted. At the top right of the theme editor, click Save to confirm the changes. Once that's saved, Judge.me is installed, embedded, and ready to collect and display reviews.